Hey guys, this is Danis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your TV as a monitor like this, and I'm also showing you best setting for external monitor. So if you need in my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's jump to the video. So all you have to need a laptop or desktop. I'm using Dell laptop and it has HDMI port. Older generation has a BGA cable, but latest generation has only HDMI port. It supports audio also, and you need a good quality HDMI cable for connecting TV via cable. I'm using this Sony Bravia 32-inch TV, which is not Android, normal LED TV. Plug the HDMI cable on your laptop or desktop, then this cable plug to the TV HDMI port. In my case, I have two HDMI port, one of these and another from here. So I'm using number 2 HDMI port. So just plug in. So I'm connecting HDMI cable and laptop to this TV. Then I need to power on the TV. So by default on my TV, as you can see on TV mode, so I need to change input unit. So you can change on your TV. On my TV, I plug in to the HDMI 2. So I select HDMI 2. So as you can see, it's duplicating my laptop monitor. So extending your display for better display setting, just go to settings, then system, then here as you can see, multiple display. So I'm changing it to extend this display. I can move like this. So any program I'm using right now, Microsoft Edge, so I can move here, I can move from here, or you can use only one monitor like this. So go to the display settings and multiple settings, just show only one, show only two. So which is one or two. For identifying, click on the identify. So as you can see here is the showing, this is the TV is the second monitor and laptop is the first monitor. So then go to the down and show only number 2. So keep change. So as you can see, my laptop display turn it off. So I'm only using this TV monitor. So everything is very details and sharp. So for video editing, it is very good because you can see all details like this. So I already use second monitor. Then if you extend this, as you can see, it turn it on my laptop display. For better resolutions, click number 1 display, and as you can see, my laptop support full HD, so recommended one. Then number 2 display, also full HD, but Windows says it recommended is 768, but I selected 1920 by 1080p for better resolutions. Okay, everything very details on. I am using 2 display on both sides, as you can see. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. So that's all about today. If you enjoy this video, please thumbs up and share my video. See you next.